Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can delete TikTok shop account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead and open up your TikTok app. I'm gonna go back and show you the process. First thing first, you're gonna go ahead and make sure that you're logged in with your TikTok seller account. Once you're logged in, you're going to go ahead and tap on this three horizontal line on top right corner. Then tap on settings and privacy. From this section, go ahead, scroll and tap on this option of account right over there. Then tap on this option of deactivate or delete account. Now for your shop account, what you will find is close shop account option. Tap on that, choose your delete account permanently option. Choose a reason. There might be different options available for the shop, or you can skip it. Then tap on this, tap on continue. Add in your password or the 6-digit code that you will get on your number. And then tap on, once you have added the information right there, you will tap on confirm again, and there you go. Your account will be deleted after being in the deactivate account for 30 days. Your account will be deleted or your shop will be closed, and that's it. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.